What's going on, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior, back in business. Fuck man, it's hot today, it's unreal. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I pulled up both motorcycles right here because I wanted to show you guys how the sound of the Indian compares to the sound of the Yamaha Warrior, and you guys gonna be freaking surprised how loud actually that Indian is and how good sounding it is. So both engines have actually cold engines right now. They haven't been started yet or anything. And let's fire it up. Let's see. Let's start with the Warrior first. Sounds pretty good. Really deep, really nice, loud, and I know you guys can hear it, but in person it sounds much better. Let's check out the Indian. I charged the battery. It seems like it's about to die completely. This thing is freaking loud. I would say let's take the Indian for a ride. At least you guys could compare. And since I'm not riding the Indian very much, I decided to take out for a quick ride. Tell you guys about it. Alright guys, it's your boy GD, thanks for tuning in. And today, as you can see, I'm on a different bike. I'm on my Indian Scout 60. I originally bought this bike for my fiance. You know, she was riding with me up on the Warrior, and then she decided to get her own bike. She's like, after 2 weeks, she was like, okay, I'm done being a passenger. I'm like, man, girl, you have balls. And she did her motorcycle driver's license. And after she passed the motorcycle license, we were shopping for bikes. And basically we looked at a few bikes, you know, some metrics, a Harley, and then we ended up at Indian, and she's like, oh my god, look at this bike is nice. And yeah, the Indian Scout is a good looking bike, good performing bike. I get sometimes more compliments on the street on the Indian than I do on my Warrior. Anyways, so she sat on it. She's only 5'3", and she was completely comfortable. She was able to put her feet on the ground. So she took it for a test ride. I took it for a test ride, and she said, "Lan, I'm in love with this bike." And you know, we rode it up. Wrote the deal up, and then she became an official owner. So typical me, oh my god, this thing is pulling. Anyway, so typical me, I went online, you know, I was researching what kind of performance options are out there, this and that. I just wanted to change the pipes, because when the bike comes out of the factory with the factory pipes, oh my god, this thing is freaking quiet. You can't hear it, not at all. However, the moment I put pipes on the bike, as you can hear, thing is, I mean, it sounds so good. I don't know how to describe it. The exhaust model is a 2-in-1 MAYHEM Hacker exhaust, and we took the no baffle option, and we also took the AMS fuel controller that they recommend taking for that bike, and that's what we did. And then I also went to Trask Performance, and I bought their performance intake. So why am I selling such a nice bike? Basically, after she gained some experience on the street, and if two like little shock moments that she had, she said, you know what, it's not me, but I don't trust the drivers. And she also trusted my self-awareness more than hers. And that's why we decided to put the bike on sale, and once we sell it, we will get a bagger so she can still ride with me as a passenger, you know. So that's basically it. That's the whole story. Bike is only now 1,470 miles, and like I said, with the performance parts that I bought, it's faster right now than the stock 1200 Scout. Okay, there's two differences. There is the Indian Scout 60, which is the smaller version, and then there is the Indian Scout 1200, which is the 1200 version. However, the smaller version is a 1000cc, and it's not big of a difference. I mean, you're gonna miss another gear, which you will not get. This Indian Scout has 6 gears. This one has only 5, but it's more than enough, man. This thing has plenty of power, especially if you use it as a bar hopper. And I've gone on this bike 125 miles an hour many times. And what you're always missing is the ABS that doesn't come with the Scout 60. So price-wise, the Indian Scout is listed somewhere around 12-13 grand, and this one I remember we got for 10 grand out the door. Oh my god, I love that freaking sound, man. Get a little shower over here. Anyways, I mean, if my girl wouldn't have that desire to ride with me, then I would just keep the bike and I'll freaking customize the hell out of it, but it's not worth it to us. What I'm planning to get is the Yamaha Star Eluder, is the bagger version of the Yamaha Star, I think, Venture. So as you can see, this thing is quick. It's good looking, it's good sounding. Garage kept, mint condition. Oh. That diesel sound, holy fuck. This thing is louder than my fucking Warrior, that's for sure. It's got a higher note, you know. My Warrior is deep sounding, like deep and mean. I also love the idle sound, man. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. Idle sounds good. Sweet. But nothing beats the fucking style and looks of this fucking Warrior, man. You can tell me what you want. Look at this, which is gorgeous and beautiful, right? But look at this. This is out of this world. Gorgeous, out of this world. Gorgeous. I'm freaking going crazy. Alright guys, I hope you like my little review. Like and subscribe, comment below. And if you want to buy this bike, just hit me up. It's your boy GD Warrior. Bye.